Oria urugari wa kiuteti urathi na mbere na kwambatira noguo haro ya miario irathi na mbere na kuongerereka. Undu ucio ni umakitie kamiti ya kurehe urumwe NCIC ikiugo wagagu uria uri kuo wa kiuteti kwa muhiano ngahia iria ciaumerire mwena wa Meru hindi ya muthe wa Jamhuri ni ugwati hari thayo wa bururi.
Come August, the general election, there might be some conflicts or violence. That's why we have started with training of police officers, especially the CIDs, and equipping them with those equipment, voice recording equipment, and taking the photos, and also having a server at our head office. It's not the business as usual. You know, initially you can record a voice, and the politician can deny and say I've been misquoted or misinterpreted. But now there is no way they can do it.
Nigi kamiti yo irauga bururi ni ugayukanite ona nginya matura-ini na gukagia miaho ya kiuteti kuna ateti aingi marahuranira iturwa cia MCA na governor iria ingituma gukorwo na ngui.
And now that we have a devolved fund, definitely governorship or gubernatorial and MCS will be the hottest contested seats. No doubt about that thing. Meaning that we will be having possibility of having conflict within the counties is very, very great.
Kamiti yo no imenyete ateti na andu megatu nio marehete mugayukano ucio ona gutuika ni moete makinya na gutigirira andu ni maikara na thayu.
Very, very firm on these people. Go campaign, do it peacefully. Try to transgress against the law, and this government will be with you.
Mararaia mwena wa Meru magithomithia atumia uria mangeni na ngucanio. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Wangari wa Njoroge.